Hey everybody, how are y'all doing? I'm doing good. I hope y'all are doing good. Today we are going to be doing a very easy video. It's something that the kids can get in the kitchen and help you with, your nieces and nephews, big kids. If your spouses want to get in the kitchen, they can help you with this, okay? So these are the ingredients that we are going to need for this recipe. This is my spiced apples. Yes. You're going to need some apples. You're going to need some butter. You're going to need some brown sugar, some salt, and you're going to need some spices, okay? So I will go over that and let you know what all spices we are using. So we're going to get into the video, but first we're going to get these apples cored and peeled, okay? So I'm going to show y'all how we're going to do that. You want to peel your apples, you just want to peel them. You can use a knife if you want to. You can use the little machine. But, alright y'all, so I thought about something that I forgot to say. When you are cutting up your apples, you do want to go ahead and sprinkle them with some lemon juice. That way it'll keep them from turning brown. However, if they start to oxidize and, turning brown, it's okay because we're going to fry them up and they're going to turn brown anyway from the seasonings that we're going to put on there. So, yes, you will need some lemon juice or a lemon if you want to use a real lemon. It's just whatever you have on hand. So I did want to go ahead and let y'all know that, okay? So I'm almost done cutting up my apples, and then I am going to show y'all what we're going to do next because it's going to be fun. And you can use whatever butter you want to use. I'm going in with my sugar, the brown sugar, and I'm using half of a cup of brown sugar. This is perfect. This is a perfect side dish as well. Now our spices, we're going in with some cinnamon, ginger, I got some cinnamon toast crunch seasoning, and I have some nutmeg. Those are the seasonings that I'm using. I'm using Pink Lady apples. These are tart and sweet. I really like Pink Lady apples. So now I'm about to go in and add my apples and that lemon juice that I sprinkled on top. Also, this recipe calls for a pinch of salt. So you want to add in a pinch of salt. And what we're going to do, we're just going to let these fry up. Okay? Alright y'all, so our apples are almost done. I did want to let y'all know, these normally cook about 10 minutes. They normally fry about 10 minutes. Or until they are, soft to how you like them. So let me tell y'all how I like to enjoy them. When I really been a good girl, when I've really been good, I will make these and have me a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Lord have mercy. I mind by taking my spoon and see how that broke up. But I want them a little bit softer than that. So they still broke up, but I want it a little bit soft. So you know what? That one is going to be mine for the shelf. Cinnamon seasoning. This is the cinnamon toast crunch seasoning that I was talking about. And it is so good. So if you're out in the grocery store, pick you up some because you're going to need it, honey. I've even had them on, like, when I would eat pork chop, or if I do have a pork chop, pork and apples go good together. So this is perfect for a side dish when you have some pork chops. So they are almost done. So y'all, I hope you like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you for supporting the channel. And so I have me a little bowl here. I'm just going to take me a few apples, not much, just a little scoop. And guess what? You want to do a game changer? Get ready, because here come a game changer. Take you some chopped pecans. Listen. If you want to do yourself right, put you some chopped pecans in there. Once you put your vanilla ice cream on top of the apples, put them pecans on top of that. You can even drill for you some caramel sauce. What? Put you, ooh. Listen. If you're going to hook yourself up, you got to hook yourself up. That caramel sauce. Oh my gosh. Let me try these. These are piping hot, so I gotta kind of be careful because I'm not trying to burn my little mouth here. You gotta get used with the pecan and the apple. You got that crunch. Oh my god, y'all. Y'all go make this recipe and let me know. I hope y'all have a good day. Get you something good to eat. Take care of your family. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video.